but you can do this part. Next.
Today's your first day of preschool. Wow.
It's too buttery.
It's too buttery?
Yeah.
It's okay, you can pick it up and have it.
I may have to put on my plate.
What do you have to say for yourself? You're buttering it up?
Yeah, to make it taste.
Oh, good.
But who eats the butter?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't put knives in your mouth, though.
Who eats
Do you know what a recipe for disaster is? Well, today you go. Meet Trillian and Jenna and the other kids. Good time. You're buttering up your toast. Hey, Bunny, I love you.
soft knife.
You do a sharp knife.